What is that sound? Can you hear that sound? What is that? Any guesses? I think it's an animal that you can find in a farm. Oh, I know. I think it's a rabbit. Do you agree with me? Today's activity is about a vegetable that rabbits like to eat at times. You see, usually they eat hay or grass, but sometimes they eat this. It's orange and it's crunchy. What do you think is that? Did you guess it right? It's a carrot. Now let's begin with our paper folding activity. These are the materials that you should prepare. You can find the orange and the green paper cutouts in your learning pack. Please also prepare tape, pencil, black marker, and a pair of scissors. Step 1. Get the orange pieces of paper and fold it just like so. Now let's turn it a little bit so that we'll make a diamond shape, and then after that we'll start folding, starting with this side. So we have to fold this side going to the other side. Now make sure that the edges or the sides are aligned. Once you're sure that they are aligned, press at the middle. And then after that, when you open it, you would see that there is a paper crease found at the middle, or like the invisible line. Now the next step, we are going to fold the edge or the side going to the middle, just like this. So make sure that the side is aligned with the paper crease. The other side as well, just like this. So this time it's like we are making an ice cream cone. Now after that, we are now going to close the cone. So do you see the small triangle on top? We are going to fold it down just like this. Next, we are going to fold this side slantly going to the middle. We will do the same thing with the other side. Both sides are meeting at the middle, following the paper crease. Step 2. Tape the sides together. Do the same steps with the remaining orange pieces of paper. Step 3. Get the green pieces of paper. Starting with this, let's turn it a little bit around so that again we'll get the diamond shape. And then after that, we are going to start folding just like what we did in step 1. So this side, you're going to fold it going to the other side. So again, make sure that it's aligned. Once you're sure, fold it at the middle, press, so that when you open it later on, you would see the crease again at the middle, just like this one. So there's the crease. Now what we're going to do next is, we're going to fold this side going up to the other side, just like this one. So it's like we're making a triangle facing upwards. Now after that, we are going to fold this side going to the center where the crease is, just like this. So this time we're going to fold the other side. And look what we've got. We've got a small diamond this time. Now this side over here, you're going to fold it going down, just like this. Yeah, so it's like a flap on the side. Now let's do the other side, same way. And you're done. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Get the other remaining pieces of green paper, and I want you to do the same steps. Step 4. Tape the carrot and the leaf together. Step 5. Draw eyes and mouth on your carrots, and then after that, add some lines on the side. I hope you enjoyed our paper folding activity today. See you again next time!